First of all, take a look at this channel. It's absolutely amazing. The creator uploads simple videos using a combination of AI-generated images and light animation. Yet the results are incredibly engaging and attract thousands of views. One of the biggest reasons for this success is the audio narration. Yes, narration is extremely important. Many AI tools can generate stunning videos and images, but most of them don't create high-quality voiceovers that truly connect with viewers. A powerful narration can completely transform the quality of a video and make it much more emotional, professional, and engaging. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create this type of viral motivational content with professional AI-generated narration. I'll show you how to generate consistent characters, create cinematic images, turn those images into smooth animations, and add realistic voiceovers that keep viewers watching until the end. Let's come into ChatGPT first. You already know why I use ChatGPT, but today I'm not going to give you any master prompt. Instead, I'm going to show you a new trick. Simply take a screenshot, upload it to ChatGPT, and write something like, "Please give me a 10-scene AI story using the same character in every scene." Make sure every scene includes the character and provides separate AI image prompts, video prompts, and narration prompts. And ChatGPT will start working on it immediately. Within just a few seconds, it generates everything for you. It creates the complete story structure, image prompts, video prompts, and narration prompts. Everything is organized scene by scene, making the entire process very simple and easy to follow. I also generate the narration prompts separately because it gives me more flexibility and allows me to create a much better voiceover for the final video. Instead of spending hours creating stories and writing prompts manually, ChatGPT can generate everything for you in seconds, including the story, image prompts, video prompts, and audio narration prompts. First, let's start with Fish Audio. Fish Audio is one of the world's leading AI audio platforms, offering millions of AI voices and powerful audio creation tools for content creators. Whether you want realistic voiceovers, voice cloning, voice changing, audio transcription, or expressive AI speech with emotions, Fish Audio provides everything in one place. The best part is that it is designed specifically for creators, making it easy to generate professional quality audio for YouTube videos, animations, storytelling content, podcasts, and much more. Now let me show you exactly how I use Fish Audio to create realistic AI narrations for my videos. On the homepage, you can see features like text-to-speech, voice cloning, sound effects, speech-to-text, and many more powerful tools. But don't worry, today we're only going to focus on the main features that I used in this video. First, let's start with text-to-speech. Here, you simply paste the script that you want to convert into audio. After that, click on the voice selection option and choose More Voices. Then click on Explore. Here, you'll find thousands of voices available. You can browse through them and choose any voice that fits your content. The best part is that these voices sound incredibly realistic. They don't have that robotic AI feel. Instead, they sound natural and human-like, which is very important for professional content creation. You also get a language filter, allowing you to select voices based on your preferred language. Simply choose a voice, click on Generate Speech, and within seconds your audio is ready.
Dreams that seemed impossible for someone like me. Every morning I looked at the world and imagined a better future, a future where I could finally prove myself.
Yes, it doesn't take much time at all. Now listen to the generated voice. Honestly, it sounds amazing. It feels like a real human narration. I know there are many AI voice tools available online, but the quality of this tool is seriously impressive. Another feature I really like is the voice search option. For example, if I'm creating a story video, I can simply search for story voices, and it instantly shows multiple voices suitable for storytelling content. I can preview them and select the one that best matches my video style. This is a feature I haven't seen implemented this well in many other tools.
Big dreams. Dreams that seemed impossible for someone like me. Every morning I looked at the world and imagined a better future. A future where I could finally prove myself.
On the right side, You'll also find advanced controls such as model selection, including S2 Pro and S1 Pro, voice control settings, volume adjustment, speed control, loudness settings, and many other customization options. You can manually fine-tune everything according to your needs. There is also a history section where all of your previously generated audio files are stored, making it very easy to find and reuse them whenever needed. Now let's talk about the voice changer feature, which is absolutely amazing. First, upload the audio file that you want to modify. I'll use the same voice that I generated earlier. Let's listen to the original voice first.
I had big dreams, dreams that seemed impossible for someone like me.
After that, click on Select Voice Model and choose any voice you want to convert it into. For this example, I'll randomly select a voice model. Then simply click on Start Converting. Within seconds, boom, the conversion is complete. Now listen to the transformed voice. It's incredible.
I had big dreams, dreams that seemed impossible for someone like me. Every morning I looked at the world and imagined a better future, a future where I could finally prove myself. But dreams alone weren't enough. Reality was harsh. No matter how hard I tried, opportunity slipped away.
The tool completely changes the voice while keeping it natural and realistic. The results are seriously impressive. Next, let's try the voice cloning feature. This feature is also very powerful. Simply upload the voice that you want to clone. First, listen to the original sample voice.
I just found this finance niche YouTube channel that gained over 16K subscribers.
Then click on Analyze Audio. The system will begin analyzing the voice characteristics, speaking style, tone, and delivery. Once the analysis is complete, click Confirm and then select Create. Your cloned voice will be ready in just a few moments. After that, click on Use Voice, and now you can generate any script using the same cloned voice.
Big dreams, dreams that seemed impossible for someone like me. Every morning, I looked at the world and imagined a better future.
It's that simple. Finally, there is the sound effects section. Here you'll find many free sound effects that you can preview and download for your projects. Overall, this is a very impressive tool. It offers many more features that I haven't covered in this video, so feel free to explore everything yourself and see what works best for your content creation workflow. Now let's come to Meta AI. Why do I use this tool? Because both its image generation and video generation features are amazing. The workflow is extremely simple and beginner-friendly. All you have to do is copy and paste your prompt, and within a few minutes your image is ready. The image quality is very impressive, with detailed visuals and professional-looking results. Once your image is generated, simply click on the Animate option. Meta AI will automatically start converting your image into a video. Within a few minutes, it generates a high-quality animated video with smooth motion and impressive visual effects. What I really like about this tool is how easy it is to use. You don't need any advanced editing skills or complicated settings. Just enter your prompt, generate the image, animate it, and your video is ready. The results are consistently impressive, especially for storytelling content, motivational videos, character-based animations, and cinematic scenes. The generated visuals look professional and can easily be used for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other social media platforms. I know that audio generation is not available inside this workflow, and that's exactly why I generated the audio separately using Fish Audio. By combining Meta AI for visuals and Fish Audio for narration, you can create complete professional quality videos with a very simple workflow. Overall, Meta AI is a fantastic tool for creating both images and videos quickly and efficiently. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.